Today we're enjoying the really cool Fireplace app that comes with your Tesla, and it's such a nice feature. We like to go to the beach, park and watch the waves and turn this on. Creates a lot of nice heat and is really pretty visual, and it has a nice sound of the crackling fire, so it's really great. Sometimes though that fire might get a little bit too hot, so we're going to cover today how you can control it. So if you want to get to this app, all you need to do from your regular screen is press this button over here, this up button, and then come over to Toy Box at the far right. Click that one, and then you'll see it. This one's called Romance. You may have to scroll down to get to it. Depends where it is, but in this case it's near the top. Once you press it, you'll get this display, and just press this one that says Get Cozy. And what you'll notice is really nice visual again, and you'll hear your fan kick up, and that's your heater blowing the nice hot air. Be aware though, you are going to be using a fair amount of battery power, so just kind of keep that in mind. I think if this got down as low as 20% of your battery capacity, it's going to shut this off and warn you, so you still have some energy to be able to get back home. But if you feel like this is such a nice thing but it's getting too hot, you could always open your window. But another thing you could do is use your phone app, and once you fire up your phone app, you can go to the one that says Climate. You can press that one, and right now it's on high, and it's showing temperatures going up to 78 degrees Fahrenheit, and you might say, well, that's a bit too high. So we have this button right here we can press, and that's showing temperature. So it's trying to get us up to 81 degrees. We're almost there, but you may say that's just too hot, so you can use your down button and you can take it down to, say, 72. And now your car was at 79, it's going to start cooling, and you can still enjoy the fire, but it won't get too hot. So we were wondering about that because we really liked it, but after about half an hour it was so hot that we couldn't really enjoy it that much. So we figured there must be a way to control it, but it's actually done through your phone app. So the way you get there is you press your Tesla button, and you'll have all these different icons. But just go to Climate, press that one, and then you have the ability to go hotter or cooler, whatever you would like. So hopefully this has been helpful to you, and hopefully you can subscribe with us so we can send you a lot more videos on how to get the most out of your Tesla. Thanks for watching. Thanks so much for watching our video, and please subscribe when you get a chance, and also hit the notification bell so we can send you lots more videos just like this one.